He teased it, but he leaves 7-10. And he leaves the crowd buzzing. A good shot, apparently a good shot, hitting very light. Roth ripped the 5-pin and went behind the 7. The normal pin action on that hit, the 5-pin goes over, takes out the 7. The 6 came around and hits the 10, but neither one of them happened that time. Roth is just going to go for one. Can't believe it, David. First time ever, a 7-10 split. We've seen 300 games, we've seen everything. What a turnaround. In 19 years of being on television, here we have it. The one, the only. Never before done on television. Watch Roth. Kicks the 10-pin out of the back in a crucial situation. Watch this out of the pit. There it goes. Unbelievable shot.
So just to talk about this unbelievable shot, which was just from one of the best people in professional bowling. You know, as kids, Mark Roth grew up in my neck of the woods. He grew up, Brooklyn, Staten Island. He used to work at Rainbow Lanes as a, way before he became a professional bowler. That's how he really became good. He practiced and practiced and practiced. Just an unbelievable person. And if you look, Mark Roth was probably the best spare shooter ever to be on the Professional Bowler Tour. If you look at this clip, he just grabs the ball and he kind of goes off, but he was such a great spare shooter, and like I say, so wonderful to us kids. I got to meet him at Diplomat Lanes in Brooklyn, which was on 26 Snyder Avenue, but just an unbelievable person. The guy used to drill his bowling balls, Bobby Simonelli, which was like his best friend, I think, one of his best friends. He actually opened up the bowling alley with him, Rainbow Lanes in Sheepshead Bay. Just an unbelievable combination of people, and we used to live on the block with Bobby Simonelli's relatives. That's how we started drilling bowling balls with Bobby Simonelli. I mean, if you look at his style, just a quintessential style with the arms level and the head perfectly level. I mean, look at the perfection there. This is just absolute perfection and something you'd want to emulate in bowling. Now, just a little history. This bowling alley is still there in Alameda. It's called Alameda Lanes. Well, it was Alameda Lanes then. I think it is a Bolero place now. But if you ever go to Bolero in Alameda, you want to go to lane number 30. This was the lane that Mark Roth converted this split on. I mean, greatest conversion in history on TV, I think. But talk about some amazing times. And I met growing up, watching the PBA Tour on Saturday afternoons. I used to go bowling at Diplomat Lanes, and I'd come back in time to see the PBA Tour, which was on like 3 o'clock in the afternoon in New York on ABC. There was nothing like it. It was truly the golden age of the PBA, and Mark Roth was the king. He was the ruler of all that. So hope you enjoyed this video, and we miss Mark Roth, and one of the best people in professional bowling ever.